If Word, Excel, or PowerPoint is suddenly showing an error and preventing it from working, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Microsoft Office working again as quickly as possible. These are simple troubleshooting steps that can solve common crashes, freezing issues, and startup errors without needing any advanced technical skills. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should do is restart all of your Office apps. This may sound basic, but a full restart can fix temporary glitches that stop Word, Excel, or PowerPoint from opening properly. Close every Office program that is running on your computer. Make sure Word is closed, Excel is closed, PowerPoint is closed, and even any background Office windows are shut down. Once everything is fully closed, reopen the app that was giving you trouble and check if the error is gone. If the problem was just a temporary bug, this may solve it immediately. If the error is still happening, the next best fix is to disable add-ins. Add-ins are one of the most common reasons Office apps stop working correctly, because one bad extension can interfere with startup or cause crashes. To test this, press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the run box. Then type PowerPoint/safe and press Enter if you're troubleshooting PowerPoint. If you're using Word or Excel, you can open those in safe mode the same way by replacing the command with WinWord/safe or Excel/safe. Safe mode starts Office without extra add-ins, which helps confirm whether an add-in is causing the issue. Once Office opens in safe mode, go to File, then Options, and click Add-ins. At the bottom of the window, look for Manage COM add-ins and click Go. You'll now see a list of installed add-ins. Uncheck all of them, then click OK to save the changes. After that, close the app completely and open it again normally. If Office starts working after disabling the add-ins, then one of those extensions was the cause. You can turn them back on one by one later to find out which one is creating the problem. If you still see the error, the next thing to do is update Office. Outdated Office files can create compatibility issues, bugs, and startup errors, especially if Windows has recently been updated. Open Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, then go to File, click Account, and look for Update options. Select Update Now and let Office download and install any available updates. Make sure your internet connection is stable during this process. After the update finishes, restart your computer and try opening the app again. In many cases, a simple Office update fixes the error right away. Another useful step is clearing temporary files. Over time, temporary files can build up and sometimes interfere with Office performance. To do this, press Windows +R again and type %temp%, then press Enter. This will open the temporary files folder on your system. Select the files and folders inside this directory, then delete them. If some files are in use and can't be removed, just skip those and continue deleting the rest. Clearing these files helps remove clutter and can resolve strange application behavior. After that, restart your computer one more time and test Word, Excel, or PowerPoint again. This is important because it gives Windows and Office a clean start after all the changes you've made. If the problem is still there, you may need to repair Microsoft Office through the control panel or Windows settings, but in most cases, the steps in this video will already fix the issue. So to quickly recap, first restart your Office apps, then disable add-ins, update Office, and clear temporary files. These are the most reliable first-line fixes when Word, Excel, or PowerPoint is not working properly. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and leave a comment if you want me to make a follow-up guide on repairing Office or fixing specific error messages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.